Okay, let's go.
Alright, so starting on the door panel, we're going to kind of evaluate before we start ripping stuff off. And this stuff doesn't have to be in one piece. You can kind of cut this up however you need to. So I'm thinking we're going to be able to at least cover this whole section here for sure. So we're going to go ahead and remove this factory stuff. And this is good stuff. So this, you don't have to say, if you can reuse it, great. And repurpose it somewhere else. Like stuff it in some sill panels or your A-pillar or something like that. The factory uses this stuff for a reason. It does do wonders to absorb the sound, but it is in the way for applying sound deadening. Get all these off in this area where I know I'm going to be working. Give it a quick wipe down with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure everything sticks nice. When you're bringing closer, as you can see how there's not a whole bunch of texture. There's like some roller marks. There's not a whole bunch of texture. But on these ones, it has like these little diamonds in it. And you want to try and eliminate those with the pressure that you're putting on it. With as little or as much as you can. So this is what you're going to get on average. So this, we use just one piece of the sound deadening material and then one piece of the foam. We kept this part of the factory stuff. And now we still have 3 pieces of CLD for the door skins, and then we have one more piece of this that we might put up here, or we might put it on the door. I haven't decided. So I had an extra piece just because it didn't really fit very well on the inside of the door. So I put my extra piece here with some more foam, and I had a little piece of scrap there. So this is kind of what you get on the inside of a door with a coupe, honestly. So you're getting a lot with this kit.